Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, plug the device into your PC and enable USB debugging in developer options. Make a quick backup to your computer or cloud because wiping removes data. Install ADB on the PC and verify the device with a DB devices. You should see a serial. Once done, reboot straight into recovery using a DB reboot recovery so you get to the actual wipe environment. This avoids hunting through menus when the factory reset option is missing. Follow each step carefully. This is the beginning of the fix. Once in recovery, check for an option labeled Wipe Data or Factory Reset. If the GUI option is absent, use a DB. Enter a DB shell and inspect /data and /cache to confirm mount status. Then reboot to bootloader and run fastboot, erase user data and fastboot erase cache. This performs a low-level wipe when recovery menu is broken. Make sure the bootloader is unlocked. Fastboot commands require it. If partitions fail to mount, you may need to sideload a stock recovery image to gain full wipe capabilities. Now complete the process. Reboot the device with fastboot reboot or a DB reboot and watch for a clean first boot sequence. This confirms the wipe worked. Once booted, restore your backup, sign into accounts, and reconfigure settings. If the factory reset option remains missing or you hit boot loops, reflash the stock ROM or use the manufacturer's recovery tool. That often restores missing menus. If you see errors during flashing, note messages and retry. Failing that, contact support or seek device-specific instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.